Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with a very exciting video because I can finally announce, as you can see by the title, that I got to curate my own subscription box with a wonderful company. And because I've been waiting this long to talk about it, let me just, skip over this whole intro thing and get into it. So as many of you know, subscription boxes are nothing new to my channel. I have a whole video that's an hour plus long of me opening up different subscription boxes. I have multiple videos on subscription boxes, food, beauty, lifestyle, all of that. So not too long ago, after I posted some of those videos, the company Cult Crushes reached out to me and wanted to know if I wanted to curate one of their month subscription boxes. I've been showing you guys their boxes for the last few months, and finally I can show you the box that I got to create with them for the month of March. So here are the 5 products you will get if you, 1, already have the subscription with Cult Crushes, or 2, if you choose to sign up after watching this video to get it. But first, I just want to tell you the theme of the box and where I was kind of going with what I wanted to be in here. So the theme for this month's box is You Can Make Up With Us. Get it? You can sit with us, you can make up with us. Not only did I want it to be something that you guys would catch on, hopefully the reference there, but it is something that I also, pride in promoting here on my channel. That is why I'm so outspoken on inclusivity and all of that, because I feel like the point of makeup is that everyone should be able to, wear it and enjoy it. And I just wanted to put products in here that, every type of makeup lover could wear. If you are someone who is more for the dramatic look there, you can use these products to do that, but you can also use these products to do the same. You can also use these same products to create a less dramatic look if that's the type of makeup wearer that you are. So the first thing that is in here is this LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. While I'm talking about these products, little video inserts will appear somewhere here of me putting them on. I've mentioned quite a few times that this is a very good drugstore affordable primer. The next thing in the box is this Rickycare sponge. I promise yours won't come looking like this. Obviously I used it for today's look. I don't know what it is lately, but I have really been here for trying out different sponges, and I threw one in here for those who like using a sponge to apply their products, or if you, like me, like using a sponge after you've used a brush to apply your foundation or concealer. So you'll also receive a pair of lashes from House of Lashes, and these are in the style Temptress. As you can see, they are on my eyes on a more dramatic look, but as you'll also see in a few minutes, they can also be used in a more natural look as well. This is the Palladio liquid eyeliner. It can be used to create a nice wing there on your eyes, or it can also be used to just, do a little something there with liner so you can blend your lashes in with your eyeshadow a little bit better. And the last thing that is in here that you will receive in this month's box is this eyeshadow palette. It is the Balm's Meet Matte Trimony Matte Eyeshadow Palette. It is what I used for this look that is here on my eyes. It is a half cut crease, certainly a little bit more dramatic there. Those are the 9 shades that come in that palette. But as you can see here, I also use that eyeshadow palette to create a look for the more natural, less dramatic makeup wearer, and I use the same lashes for a more natural look, and like I mentioned, less eyeliner, no cat wing, and you can use the products either way. There's one more thing in here. It is this Grand Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. It'll be thrown in as a special little gift to anyone who uses my code TOOMUCHMOUTH when signing up for this subscription. So that is it for everything that is in the box. Now I'm sure the question most of you are wondering is, how much is it going to cost me to get it? If you sign up for this subscription box, it's going to cost you $11. So all 5 of the things that I showed you, plus the little extra bonus if you use my code, will cost you $11. Again, I wanted to throw in some affordable things in there, but also some a little bit pricier, just so we can get a good range here of what we're testing out when we're using it, however we want to use it, dramatic or natural. The link to sign up will be in my description box down below. This won't be live until March 1st, but I'm letting you know here a day early that this is what is going on. I feel like there are other things I should be telling you about this. Oh, I should probably tell you about Cult Crushes and their, you know, parents. Cult Crushes is the subscription box service that was created by Ricky's NYC. If you follow me on Snap or Instagram, I've mentioned them quite a few times. If you're in the New York area, it's certainly a store that you should go into because they have all the brands that we all love and brands that we've never heard of. I've certainly never heard of Palladio before I came across Ricky's, or Pinky Rose Cosmetics, which I still need to do a video on that, but they have several brands and they have sales on these several brands. If you guys remember, not too long ago I did a video on the Colored Rain lip creams, I believe they are. Now I believe on their website they're somewhere around $17 or $19. I got them from Ricky's when they were, I think, on sale for $5. So all the ones I showed you guys in those videos were on sale for $5. I got them from there. Certainly a website that you want to know about. They created this subscription service called Crushes. It is still fairly new. It's growing. You know, I'm hoping the fam here can help it grow a little bit more. And now I think I have told you everything that you should know. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. These are the 5 products you'll be receiving for the month of March if you sign up for the Cult Crushes subscription service for $11. Don't forget to use my code TOOMUCHMOUTH to receive that little extra bonus gift in there. The link for all of that will be in the description box down below. You know, I hope you guys liked what I picked for this month's box. You know, I hope I came through for you there with the options on however you prefer to do your makeup, and you know, you actually like what's in there. Thank you to not only Ricky's for allowing me this opportunity to create this month's box, but thank you to all of you because this certainly would not have happened without the support of all of you. I'm quite nervous and a little excited. You know, this is excited as my face will allow me to get. So I'm not sure if I'm forgetting to say anything here, but if I am, you know, I'll say it in the description or in the comments down below. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!